Today I will share how to transform your photos into high-end digital art using Canva. Open Canva, choose your project size, or choose social media, Instagram posts, add your photo to the page. If your photo has a background, remove the background, and then change the background to black, the same color as the hair, and also the text of the newspaper. Increase the photo to fit the page, and select the photo, go to edit, to adjust, scroll down to saturation and make it -100, scroll up, add the contrast, about 60, so the hair become more black. Now download it as PNG, go to element, or upload your photo of a newspaper page. I will use this one. I will crop, increase the size, and rotate, and then download as PNG. Alright, leave that two element on page 1 and then add new page. Upload the PNG that we just downloaded. Select on the newspaper and then go to apps. Type blend. Enter. Choose blend image. Click use selected image. And then select the face and click on the top layer use selected image. Scroll down here and make sure the blend mode is multiply. And then select all these two elements and remove them. And then click add to design. Go to edit, adjust, add the brightness, and add the contrast. So now we have it. Please hit like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.